Hello everyone. This is Nambiar Eleganza, a villa project in Sarjapura, Chandapura Road. It's a 23 acres of land development with 304 villas. Basically, we have 3 BHK and 4 BHK, 3 BHK 2 dimension and 4 BHK 2 dimension. So this is the nature trail. It followed by all over the project. So you can see the greenery and the trees. So Nambiar builders are basically from Kerala builders, Kerala developers. So they are more focusing on greenery part of the project. This is the model villa in Nambiar Eleganza. It's a 2325 land area, 2325 land area, and 3514 is built up. This is the sit out area. The door is a hard teak wood door. No. And this is the lower living. This is family living. Puja room, powder room, and one guest bedroom in the ground floor with attached latrine and bathroom. You can see the doors and the marbles and the tiles are standard in nature. The bathroom fittings also standard and kitchen fittings also standard. This is dining and open kitchen. If you want some little modification, you can do that little modification also. It is allowed in Nambiar Eleganza. This is your utility and your store. It's a family lounge. This is kids bedroom with attached latrine and bathroom. This is walk-in closet. This is another guest bedroom. All rooms have their separate toilets. And this is master bedroom with wooden flooring. This is the walk-in space, and this is your. So the balcony is attached from the master bedroom. If you want more detail about this property, you can contact us. Availability is there, 3 BHK availability is there, 4 BHK availability is there. So there is option that also you can make your 3 BHK as a 4 BHK by build an extra room in the rooftop, and you can make a 4 BHK as a 5 BHK make an extra room in the rooftop.